Everybody at some point has realized that the path to the outer abundance somewhere, is here. During this workshop, I also realized that there were certain moments, certain episodes that, I knew they existed, but I never knew that they had such deep impact. I slept like a baby when I went back, after my day one workshop. Like I slept for 11 hours.
I am becoming more and more calm. It's helped me so much that अंदर से मैं अभी ऐसा फील कर रही हूँ कि मुझे थकान मेरी चली गई. Otherwise I've been feeling exhausted because I get tired of getting angry and that sulking and then that regret, that shame. So अब जाके वो शांत हुआ है मेरा. Second thing that it has helped me with is being confident in myself and seeing my worth.
In these 2 days, somehow I have got more energetic, more positive energies. It's good to see that, there are so many people around you are like you, are going through the same things you are going through in your life. Everybody is struggling and yet they are trying to come out of it. So that is a very beautiful and very acceptance-filled atmosphere to be in.
Due to social media, etc., we only share a different, a side of it which we want to show to the world. We don't really look deep into ourselves. I think it keeps you a little grounded and a little self-aware about why are you, what are you.
My experience was beautiful. I think we, in the busy life and the kind of expectations people have around us, it's very hard to give yourself that permission to be just with yourself. I am just in a perfect space.
Today was a miracle. It makes you know yourself, and a lot of your questions are within yourself. So once you do this workshop, if nothing else, you'd at least find yourself.
I think it's something I needed for a very long time. I didn't know that I needed it. But I do believe that this will help me be both more able to deal with emotions person, but also a better parent.
A very beautiful journey towards being a much more happier individual.
Glad that I did this workshop.
If you can't love yourself, you can't love anybody else.
You will feel rewarded at the end of the day. That I can vouch for.